Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin wassalatu wassalam ala Rasulullah. We are still on our book Durusul-Lughah Al Arabiyyah, Durusul-Awwal. In our previous class, we stopped at Durusul-Awwal, the first lesson. Inshallah, today we are starting from Durusul-Thani, the second lesson. Sheikh starts with dhalika. Dhalika in the Arabic language means that. Dhalika, that. Ma dhalika, what is that? Dhalika najm, that is a star. Hadha masjid, this is a mosque. Wa dhalika bayt, and that is a house. Hadha hisan, this is a ox. وَذَلِكَ حِمَارٌ, and that is a donkey. أَذَلِكَ كَلْبٌ, is that a dog? La, no. ذَلِكَ قِيتُ, that is a cat. مَنْ ذَلِكَ, what is that? ذَلِكَ سَرِيرٌ, that is a bed. مَا هَذَا, who is this? مَا هَذَا, who is this? وَمَنْ ذَلِكَ, and then who is that? Mahadha, who is this? وَمَنْ ذَلِكَ, then who is that? هَذَا mudarris, this is a teacher. وَذَلِكَ imam, and that is a imam. مَنْ ذَلِكَ, مَنْ ذَلِكَ, what is that? Dhalika hajar, that is a stone. Hadha sukar, this is a sugar. Wa dhalika laban, and that is a milk. Now, under it we have a tamrin exercise. Ikra waktub, that is ikra, read, waktub, and write. Read and write. This place we are expected to read and write. That is, to read it and write it. We are expected to practice it. Number one, هذا سكر وذلك لبن. هذا سكر, this is a sugar. وذلك لبن, and that is a milk. من ذلك, من ذلك, who is that? ذلك imam, that is a imam. Adhalika kitsu, is that a cat? La, no. Dhalika kelib, that is a dog. Mahadha, what is this? Mahadha, what is this? Hadha hajar, this is a stone. Now, under it we have al-kalimatu jadid, the new words. Al-kalimatu jadid, the new words. Imam, that is the leader. Imam. Hajar, stone. Sukar, sugar. Laban, milk. So inshallah today we will stop here. Bismillah, we will continue from where we stop in our next class. Subhanakallahumma bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfirullah wa atubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.